In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record on iPhone. Ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, gradually swipe down your iPhone screen, right? Hold on this firmly. Once you have hold on it, you're going to see a whole lot of options is going to come out, right? Then, if you have not previously added up this screen recording option on your iPhone, if you look at this screen now, you can see there's a tool that is currently blinking, red, right? So it means that this video is currently screen recording. So click on this add a tool, right? If you click on this add a tool, you're going to scroll down gradually. I'm going to scroll down, go to the capture, right? Okay, no, scroll down. Okay, I think it should be above. Okay, yeah, go to the display and brightness. You can see there's the orientation, there's the screen recording, there's the screen mirror, and there's the dark mode, right? So click on the screen record. Once you have clicked on it, you're going to start screen recording your iPhone once you have added this control. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next video.